In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue that WhatsApp says my status couldn't send. As you can see, on my status, it says couldn't send one status and it's red. And I'm going to show you how to solve this problem and just how to fix it. So before we start, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So the first thing that you can try, I'm going to show you 3 ways. The first thing is just swipe it away. Just swipe it away and then open it again. So I'm going to open it again right here. And for me it doesn't work, but sometimes this simple trick does work. So the second solution is go to your settings. So first go to settings right now, just like this, and then go to apps. Just type in apps at the top, and there we go. Now you want to hit the second one and then go to manage apps right here, and then you want to type in WhatsApp. So I was using WhatsApp Business, so for me it's WhatsApp Business, but if you have the problem with normal WhatsApp, just hit WhatsApp, then go to it, and then you want to go to app permissions right here, and then make sure to allow all of these. So allow call logs, allow location, and allow microphone, and phone doesn't really matter. And now when we go back, let's see if it worked. And there we go. Now it works on my phone. So for me it's solved now. Now the status is updated. But if it still didn't work, the third solution is delete WhatsApp and reinstall it completely. So delete the app from the App Store or Play Store and then reinstall it. That will do the trick as well. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.